Hey, Algebra 1, Catlin here with your cool down. Going over it for today. This is 1.2. And the three questions were, what info can you see most easily in the three different types of graphs that we talked about? So instead of me writing my answers down here, I'm actually going to go look at some and talk about them as I look at them. I'm going to look at the battery life one from the warm-up problem and just kind of go through the things that I think is easy to find and easy to see per one, starting with a dot plot. So if you're thinking about a dot plot, something that really jumps out to me is that you can really see the actual values 2.5, 2.5, 3, 3, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So that was something that really stood out to me is with a dot plot, you can see the actual numbers. You don't have that luxury with a histogram. You can't see what the actual numbers are. You get a good idea of the shape of how the numbers are distributed. So I would say that you get a good idea of the shape of the distribution, what it looks like, how they're spread out. And then it's easy to spot out the mode. I think mode is really easy to see whenever you have it in dot plot form like this. Not so much easy to find the median whenever you're talking about a dot plot because you have to kind of mark them out. It would be difficult to see. But the mode is just the tallest tower, so that's really simple. So I'm going to move on to the next one here and talk about the histogram a little bit. What is some info that's really easy to see when you're looking at a histogram? And I think the benefit of a histogram is the shape of it. You can really see the shape of how everything is distributed, just like you can with that one, but it gives you a little bit more of a boxier shape, I guess. And then you can notice everything's in intervals with histograms, so you can see common intervals. That's something that I wrote down that I thought was good about the histogram is that you have these intervals and you can see which ones are common, which ones are really high, which ones are low, and you can kind of separate those. And then the last one is the box and whisker plot. And I'll go to black color for this one. What am I noticing about the box and whisker plot? Well, you get your 5 number summary, like just by looking at it. It's really simple. You can see your min, you can see your max, the number in the center, the number in the center of the bottom, the center of the top half. You get your 5 number summary. It's jumping right out at you. You can find the median really fast. You can't really do that with the others, but you know in this, the median is 4.5 just by looking at the graph. And then you also have it split up into quarters or 25 percentiles. I guess you could think of it that way. Like 25% of your information is here, and another 25% of your information is here. And like everything's split up into quarters for you already, so you can kind of see where your numbers are distributed and how spread apart they are. So 25% or quartiles. Think of it that way. And those are the things that jumped out to me. There might be some other things that you guys included, but those are the big main differences on those. Have a good day.